Okay, I don't know if y'all can read that, but that is pretty much my life. And that was my phone going off because it's retarded. I don't know if you saw my text message, but hopefully y'all can read it to me because I ain't. Okay, my phone has been dropped so many times that it vibrates on and off whenever. I don't even have to get a text message or call whenever. It won't even. That might be better. For all you stupid people, I ain't waiting no longer. My arm is getting tired. And this video is going to be me complaining about my phone, complaining about my life, and, what else can I complain about? Oh, I can show you some funny pictures. That'd be good. There you go. That is literally me. I'm actually not funny. I'm just really mean, and people think I'm joking. I don't know if he gone, but my daddy came in the next room. Sorry, it's itchy up here. I don't know why. Okay, I don't know if that was just me. Oh, if y'all heard that too, because I'm gonna listen to this. My dad was in the next room. I don't know what he was doing. I do not know. I will never know unless I would sit there and watch. That was my phone. Oh, Jesus. Fell off the toilet. Have you ever had that happen to you before? So drunk you almost fall off the toilet? I mean, sleepy. I'm sleepy right now. It is 7:10. I am so sleepy. So sleepy. Oh, Jesus. This is 4 minutes. Okay. Well, since I showed you them photos, I hope you had a good laugh listening to my dad. I don't know what he was doing. I'll ask him later. Actually, he got me in trouble today. Like, he kept his hand right here, so I didn't punch my mama. It was good. It was good. Okay. Y'all, I'm going to talk to you later. And, well, I can't really talk. I'm going to talk. You listen. And that's about it. You see my brave woman up there? Yeah, she brave, right? Okay, well, I don't know what to call y'all yet, so comment, like, subscribe, whatever y'all do.